And welcome back everyone. So after looking at the Philips LED strip some time ago, now it's time for me to look at the Baltimore Digital LED strip, multicolor and warm white. So just taking a look at the box real fast. 1300 lumen, 24 watts RGB, tunable white, and cuttable every 20 centimeter. Flipping it around, and there you can see some more information. So the Philips, this also came from the Action. The Philips was $17.95, I believe, and this one was $19.95. So on paper, this one is cheaper, but this one is 10 meters, and the Philips was 5 meters. Okay, let's take a look at what's in the box. Okay, so this is what's in the box. Your manual, your material, your screws and your tape, your charger, not charger, sorry, your adapter. You won't be able to charge it. The remote control, and the remote control is massive, just for comparison's sake. So battery is included, so I won't need to open it. I believe I can just remove the plastic and I should be good. And there is your LED strip. So let's connect it up and see what it's like. So just gonna connect this up, and I'm gonna plug it in. And there we go. So let me just pull this back. Okay. All right, so this is your remote. Let me see. Red, green. This should be a receiver. Let me turn it this way. Blue, purple. I believe there's also music on it. Can you see the remote? And your timer, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. Let's try the music. Or does it direct to music? I'm not really sure. Just gonna push some buttons to see what's gonna happen. Wave. No, push music. Oh wait. Ah, okay. So the music button, it's gonna react to music or to voices. Look at this. Check, 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 Mr. DJ. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Boom, boom, boom. All right, that's one. Let me select number 2. This is number 2. This is number 2. This is number 2. Let's go to number 3. This is number 3. This is number 3. This is number 3. Let's go to 4. This is number 4. This is number 4. This is number 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Wow, this is wicked. Look at this. Wait, let me turn the lights off. Back again. So this is what it's like when it's on the music mode. And this is number 4. Let me see if I can see the remote so I can put it back at number 3, and then you can see what it's like. And now it's back at number 3. So let's see what it's going to do. And this one does react a little bit slower. So number 4 is a little bit hyperactive. This one is a little bit, well, I was going to say it's a little bit calmer, but as you can see, it's not. Let's go back to number 2. Now it's on number 2. And number 2 is kind of like starting from inside and going out. And let's go back to 1. This is number 1. And yeah, I think I prefer number 4. 1 is also nice, but I prefer 4. Okay, let's get some light back on. So what else do we have in the remote? Speed. Let me see what's going to happen when I put it in. Can I change the speed? All right, just change up the speed. Okay. What else is on it? There's something called WW. WW, that's white. And what's NW? Oh, that's even whiter. Okay. That's warm white. And NW, I guess, in this neutral white. Could it be neutral? And what's CW? Yeah, gotta look it up. I'm not really sure. And then I got these arrows. Let me see what it's gonna do. Nope, not really sure. Okay, so oh yeah, you could go from, that's a gradient, to go up to cold and warm. Okay, and I got some more buttons. Let's see what they do. That's this one. I don't know if you could see it. And now I'm going to try this one. And now I'm going to try, did I try the wave already? Let's try the wave. Wow, it's really nice. It's really impressive. And let's try this one. Can you see it? Let's try this one. Okay, and I believe that was all of it. Yeah, so I think I got everything I wanted to. And this is, what's these two buttons? What are they for? Let me see. I didn't even read the instructions, so I'm not really sure. Yeah, I'm just pushing. I don't really know what's happening. So anyway, that's it basically. And I actually really like this light from Baltimore. I didn't even know what to expect, but it's really nice. I like it. I like it. It's from the Action, 1995 for 10 meters. Okay, let me just roll it out a bit, and then you can also see it when it's rolled out. So this is it reacting to the music. So there's some music in the background, so I don't want to get copyright, so I'm just going to keep talking. So really nice, very, very nice. I didn't know what to expect because it's a brand I don't really know, Baltimore, but I'm really satisfied. The remote is not as nice as the Philips. It's not as premium, the swipe, but it's still very, very nice. You'll just need some time to get used to the buttons, and you just have to figure out what they do. But once you know what's what, I guarantee you, you are going to enjoy it. I don't know about the quality, so I don't know how long it's going to last. You'll just have to find out on your own. So this is the way I make my videos, just really simple, and that's the way I intend to keep them. So if you are a sub, thank you very much. If not, please consider doing so. In fact, please just sub and help me to grow a little bit and keep me motivated and keep me making these videos. I purchase everything myself, so they're not sponsored, and I won't let you waste your cash. All right, thanks. See you next time.